Not yet. Not yet. What is a pastry? Is it a dough? Maning sagbot. Maning sa ato ay sagbot. Tingnan natin kung magkano ba yung nagasto ko. Good morning! I know, maliligo pa ako. Ang plano ko naman sana, guys. Good morning. Ang plano ko, mag-exercise ako before ako maligo. Pero, alam nyo naman, yung nakakaloka. Gusto ko na mag-exercise, pero wala pala. Right, Rox? Anyway, yung treadmill, guys. Diba yung treadmill, walang yawi. So, ang ginawa namin yung parang may can opener lang, nilagay namin din yung paint opener, yung pintal ba, yung sa can opener. So, yun ang ginanon-ganon ni Tami. So, ang nangyari, when I start running, nahulog siya. So, wala. Diba kagabi, I said that ay hindi ko gusto matutulog yung aso dun sa taas kasama ko. So, ang nangyari, sinabihan ko si Roxy at Misty na dito na lang sila sa baba. And I went upstairs without them. Pagkatapos doon, si Roxy at saka si Misty iyak na iyak. Naawa ako, guys. Don't believe me, naawa ako. Nasasaktan ako kasi parang hindi nila alam kung anong nangyayari, kung anong kasalanan nila, na hindi ko sila pinaano sa taas. So, I told them, you know, you're a good girl, you stay down here, and Mama need to sleep. And I want to go to sleep without waking up like 4 times in the middle of the night, because meron sila, nandun sila na ginaganon-ganon nila ako. At saka Roxy most of the time is dreaming, like palaging nadadamgo si Roxy ba yung anong sa tawag ni damgo, dinadaman ay nako, nanaginip si Roxy palagi, guys. So, ang nangyari, guys, palagi nanaginip, wala hinungdan ng iyang pagdamgo. Ako yung nagsigmata-mata. So for like an hour, Roxy's on the stairs. An hour, guys. An hour. I was watching a movie. Ang narinig ko palagi, oh no, hindi yan. So, pusa naman yan. Like yung iyak ba? Iyak ni Roxy. Umiyak si Roxy, guys. Oy. At napapagod sa kakaiyak ang nangyari, guys. Inignore ko siya kasi nasaktan ako, guys. As in, sabi pa ni Tami. Sabi pa niya, yan ang dahilan kung bakit ayaw kong i-train silang mahiga kasama natin, pero inaano daw ko. So ngayon mahirap na daw i-undo. So sabi ko, I have to undo this thing. And but look at her, she's looking at me with the sad eyes. And Hubs also. Hubs, hi little man. Misty's right there, guys. Kain lang, guys. Kain lang ako, guys. Wala naman akong magawa sa buhay, guys. Kain lang ako ng kain ng buto. Yan, guys. Yun lang yung ginagawa ko, guys. Anyway, guys, nanonood ako yung mga YouTubers na nagre-review ng thread apps. Na sila sa advertise, inano sila sa advertise sa TV, yung thread apps, yung mga damit. Pinapunta ko sila dito sa taas, guys. Yes, Rox, you can come up here. You're allowed to be here, but there's no night-night up here. And I'm really happy that I have 2 good girls. Yes, I know, miss. I know, baby. I know. Yes, I know. Yes, you cannot sleep with Mama, but because you're a good girl, I'll give you Bunsi later, huh? I will do that, huh? Mama have to get ready first, and then I'll be right back. Yes, hello. Yes, Mitch. Yes, I know, baby. Pinangga man na ni Mama. Na. That so of you is very pinangga, eh? Mama, yes. Yes, Mitch. Yes. Mama's pinangga mo na, oh. You guys are lucky. Do you know that you're lucky? Do you know that 2 of you are lucky? And I will be right back, because I will be right back. Get down, Mitch. She get upset really quick. Right, Rox? When we go downstairs, I'll give you some Bunsi, right? I will give you some Bunsi when we go downstairs. But Mama have to do something first, okay? Gusto ko lang magkilay. Akala ko talaga Wet n Wild siya, guys. Pero wala siyang pangalan na Wet n Wild. As in, very hard. Ang gahi nito, guys. As in. You're done? That was quick. That That was quick. I know it's freezing. Oh, sorry, mates. Sorry. I know it's freezing, right? I know. You cannot stay outside, right? Itong dalawa, guys, tumatahol. Palagi na lang akong ginugulat nitong dalawa. Ang ginawa dito, guys. Sobrang ginawa, guys. Oh, ayos na, guys. Oh. Sobrang ginawa. I feel like, look, gunitan ko lang, hawakan ko lang ito, guys. Sobrang nagumiginaw na lahat, guys. Parang nag-feel ko, nag-ayos na itong blood ko. Oh my God. Hurry up. It's so cold out there. Come. Come here, special little bug. Special little bug. Special, okay? Special na little bug. Okay, let me cut your nails, baby. Let me cut my bug's nails now, right? Okay now, okay now. Okay now, don't worry. You know who's gonna get mad if I hurt you? Your dada. Okay. Another one. Yes. Yes. Not yet. Not yet. Little bug. Little bug. Not yet. Ula. Okay. You sit. No. Little man. Behave. Last one. Last leg. Last paw. Okay. Okay. No. Not done yet. Let me see the other one, the last one. Ay, nako, little man. Yes, this is really sharp. The last one, the one that is hiding. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'll give you some treats. Oh my God. Ganito, guys. Kailangan kong i-cut kasi ako yung ako yung masasaktan later kapag matutulog itong baby ko kasama ko. Ako ang masasaktan. Sinaktan mo na ako palagi. Thank you so much for watching. And hi guys, good morning. Hi sa viewer, hi sa nanonood, hi sa iyo nanonood now. Nag-start ako just now, guys, nagwa-vlog. Good morning sa inyo. Good morning pa kasi 11:23 pa ng umaga and I'm going to the store because Sunday, New Year's Day dito yung namin, kasama yung brother and sister-in-law ko. Yeah, so yung mag-asawa na doon kami nag-Christmas. Binalik ko lang itong sinuot ko. I-try natin tawagan, guys, ha. Samahan niyo ako sa pagtawag.
Hi.
Where are you?
Let me call you back in the car because I'm getting myself ready to get in the car. I'll
Bye.
call you back in like 5 minutes. Alright, bye.
Way ayo. Dila ay pa ko. Ingana pa. Way ayo. Katatapos lang namin nag-usap ng asawa ko, guys. Nagluluto ako ng rice. Kasi, alam nyo naman, rice is life. Kakain ako ng rice, guys, before going to the story. 1:30. Alis na ako, guys. Kasi gusto ko na, hindi ko na kayo dalhin, guys. I will be right back, baby. Yes, mama will be right back. Punta lang ako sa ShopRite and yung, kung saan ko yung bibilhin yung mga bin. Kailangan ko talaga ng bin. Binhood. Binhood. Anong problema, Demps? Demplord! Anong problema, Demplord? Demps, come here. Come here, Diam. Come here. Come here, Diam. Come here. Ano na, it's 3:59 na ng hapon. It's almost 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock na talaga. As in 4, 1 minute na lang mag-4 na. And ngayon lang ako nakadating kasi I went to stop and ShopRite. Hanap ako ng hanap ng pastry. Alam nyo ba guys, ng pastry guys? Hindi kasi ako baker guys. Sabi pa ng recipe, fluffy pastry. One sheet. Shit. Oh my god. Oh, fluffy pastry. I said, what is a pastry? Is it a dough? It doesn't say a dough. It's just pastry. So I'm looking around. Maybe I told my husband, oh, maybe it's a pie. He said, oh, maybe it's a pie. Yeah, so I'm looking for where is that pie thing. So I was looking, it's in the frozen one. Hanap ako guys, hinahanap ko talaga siya guys. So doon pala siya sa freezer area. So ito yung nabili ko. Ilagay ko kayo dyan. Okay. Bumili ako ng milk dahil alam nyo naman, kahit gabi, nag-ano ako. Oh, last night, yung dinner ko guys, alam nyo ba, cereal. So, bumili ako ng milk kasi kapag andito yung asawa ko, mahilig din yun uminom ng milk. At saka yung pag-cereal ko din. So, ito, red potato. Yeah, red potato for the recipe na ako gagawin ko. At saka, itong cereal, of course, meron pa akong cereal, pero ay nako guys, baka yung narada ng dinner ko cereal. Okay na, cereal. Kasi ano siya, hindi hassle. Bumili ako ulit ng linguine. So, dalawa siya ilagay ko sa container. At, naghanap din ako, ano ba yung chives? Hindi yun, parang, when I look online, when I look at the recipe, yung nagluluto na siya, para siyang scallion, yung green onion. Sabi ko, hindi naman green onion, kasi scallion naman yun. So, hinahanap ko yung chives. Ito pala ito, guys. Ginoo ako, Maria Jose. Mga ipangalan talaga nga naman ay sagbot. Manis ato ay sagbot. Ito, mura siya kuan manis ato. Ang chives, ano manis atin yung chives? May pangalan tayo dito, guys. Kanang para siyang spring onion, para siya ng green onion, pero maliit yung lingin niya. At saka, sa bacon, I put this in the freezer. That's one of the recipe also. Ilagay ko din ito sa freezer. And ano yun? Unsalted butter. A lot of garlic kasi yung mag-garlicky kasi kami. Hala, nakalimutan ko parsley. Meron pa mga parsley dito. So, okay lang yan. Frozen siya. So, ito din, yellow. Yukon, anong pangalan nito ay? Yuko Gold Potato. Ano siya, isang bag. $4 lang ito, isang bag. So, ito din, bumili din ako nito, guys. Ito, cream daw. Heavy cream. So, bumili ako ng cream. Sabi pa, heavy cream. Hindi naman ito heavy. Very light lang naman. Sabi pa dito is, half and half. Rich and creamy. At saka, bumili ako ulit ng creamer. Para sa pag andito yung asawa ko at biyanan ko. At bumili ako ng oil. Ang mahal ng oil. Extra olive. So, ito. Ano ito? $12. Mahal, no? As in, sobrang mahal. Wala na kasi akong oil. Sa Costco, parang mas malaki pa dyan. At okay naman. Ito pala yung pastry, guys. Ilagay ko ito sa freezer. Sa freezer ko ito ilagay. Kasi naka-frozen. Kasi sa freezer naman ito nakalagay sa tindahan. So, tignan natin kung magkano ba yung nagasto ko. Goodness. Ilan ba? Uy, wala nang total dito. 65 daw. Yun ang ayaw ko. Yung pumunta ako sa grocery at saka may nagasto ako. Bumili ako ng box. Ito yung box na gagamitin ko. So, ako nagmamadali ako nag-grocery, guys. Hindi na ako yung palakad-lakad, mahinhin-hinhin. So, para akong ginugukod. Parang may nag-ano sa ako, humahabol. Yun ako, guys, kapag mag-grocery. To me inside out and I know you. Wow. Didan. Yeah. Didan. You know what, guys, diba? Kagabi, guys, nag-cereal ako. First time cereal ko dinner. I feel like having cereal again for dinner tonight. weird nga eh. Sobrang weird kasi gusto ko na naman ng cereal. Hindi naman ako nag-cereal in the morning, guys. Nag-egg ako at saka croissants at saka coffee. Ay, nako, kaloka naman ito si Dimples. Oh, hi, Dimps! Hello, Dimps! Hello, Dim! Hello, Dim! Hello, Dim! Hello, Dim! Hello, Dim! Hello, Dim! Nanonood lang ako ng House Hunter. I love this. Yung House Hunter, like, nandito lang siya. Walang ito lang. Diyan ang lugar niya. So, kailangan ko ng i-vacuum at saka i-spray. Kasi andito yung dimple lords ko. Ayun dyan. It's time to have cereal. Sorry, Rox. You cannot have this. Oh my God, ang dami. At saka picture na natin, isin natin sa asawa natin para malukot. Magagalit yun kapag nalaman niyang nagsiserial ako 2 nights na. Ganda naman kapag nagsiserial ako dahil 'di ba nagka-milk. Hindi talaga ako ma-milk at saka para akong kapag kumakain TMI ito, guys, pero pasensya na. Kapag kumakain na ako nito dahil sa milk kasi ako, guys, sa mga dairy yung tiyan ko palagi akong pumupunta sa ihin. Just to annoy him. Turok si nanonood na naman katulad kagabi. Tsaka tumutulo ng laway niya. Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? I-memorize yan, kailangan pa ba? Anyway, nakalimutan ko na mayroon palang rice na dapat i-transfer. Saturday bukas, pagka Sunday, I'm going to Asian store to pick up something for my mukbang. At saka, to pick up my mother-in-law. Ay, nako, I don't like dropping any water on my floor. You know why? Because I don't like to ruin my floor, the water. Anyway, anong oras na ba, Rox? 7:30 na ng 7:24 na actually ng gabi. And palabasin ko lang itong aso at saka punta na kami sa Tuaas. Anyway, guys, I will end this video. Oh my God, nakalimutan kong ibuhanghang ko pala tong buhok ko. Nakalimutan kong i-put down pala yung buhok ko kasi after ko naligo at saka dry ko yung buhok ko. I tie it and then now, may linya na siya. Ay, nako talaga. So, i-end ko na tong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits na lang tayo bukas. And yeah, so, I'm sorry guys, it's nothing much going on to this vlog. And boring vlog. This is my life vlog. And the dog vlog. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. Bye! Good night guys. Bye! Gumagano yung mga kapulitan ko ba? Gumagamit yung mga kaunuran. Kasi nakaraan din ako. Hindi ko pa pwedeng i-turn.